These are face masks from SYABO, and you know, a lot of people like to use masks in the morning to hydrate their face and look fresh throughout the day. However, what I love to do is I like to use my masks at night right before I go to sleep. The reason is because as we sleep, our body has a chance to recover better and repair better. So I feel like it's a little bit more restorative to do them at night. So I'd like to thank SYABO for sending these to me to review. I really do appreciate it. At first, they feel a little slimy and they feel a little weird when you open them up because it's like, are these gonna open right? But then once you open it, I recommend you finding it in the exact spots and just press it onto your face, and it feels amazing. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and you are gonna see some massive results. I'm 54 years old, so I always ask for all the help I can get. I love trying skincare products because having great skin, and it just shows the world that like, hey, I'm ready to take it on. You know, like when you feel your best, your results are better. Basically, that's how I feel about life. But yeah, I love it. I love to put my best face forward, right? And this face mask is a really great thing. It's very moisturizing. It's very soothing. It's very, it's deeply hydrating, as well as it improves the dullness of the skin. So good stuff. I love it, love it, love it. And this box comes with, I don't know how many masks this comes with. I've tried a few of them, but man, once you're done with the mask, 1, 2, about 10. So once you have used the mask, once you're done with it, there's excess stuff inside the package. I recommend using it on this area and rubbing in the skin a little bit better. Really good stuff. So once again, thank you so much, SYABO. I'm gonna go do it.